What is up guys, in this video we're going to learn multidimensional arrays. Now a multidimensional array is an array inside an array. So these multidimensional arrays are pretty useful when you're building like tables and stuff. So in order to build an array, a multidimensional array, you basically type your array type and then you type the name of your array, and then after that you type the size of the array. So now this array is gonna have 2 rows and 4 columns, and over here inside the curly brackets it's gonna have, okay, so you're gonna have 2 sets of curly brackets inside a set of curly bracket. So think about that for a minute, it'll freak you out. Okay, so there we go, we have one little extra bracket over here. That is perfect. So now we can have our values or elements inside the array. We can type whatever we want, so 7, 8, 9, 10 and separated by a comma, and 4, 5, 6, 7, pretty simple, and a semicolon at the end. And in order to print it out, what you do is you type cout and then your array name, that is dragon, and now the location. For the location, what if we give like the index 0 and 0 over here. Now remember, the order was rows and columns. That was the order. This 2 is for rows and this 4 right here is for columns. Pretty simple. And in order to print this, this order is followed. Only the difference is that well when you're initializing the array, you count like humans from 1 2 3 4, and when you're printing out, you count like computer. So that is the key. Remember that. Again, what I said was, when you are initializing, you count like humans, because this is row 1 and row 2, and this row 1 has 4 columns, 1 2 3 4, and when you want to access your array, then you are going to use indexes, and by indexes I mean you're going to count from computer's point of view, like 0 1 2 3 4, like that. So in this case we have 0, that is 0th row, so 0th rows is this one, and 0th column would be this one. So it's basically like coordinates, you can call that, pretty much like coordinates, x and y. So remember that way. So our 7 prints out in our output. So that is how you initialize your arrays, and that is how you print out your arrays. So that's it for this tutorial. Please like and subscribe, study this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.